What's up, guys, and welcome to a new episode of Tesla Canadian Dad. Today we are talking about Alexa. We're also going to talk about the new features for red lights for FSD, so full self-driving, when it comes to the car actually stopping here in Canada to red lights, green lights, yellow lights, any type of lights really, as well as stop sign. So let's get to it. Now, the first thing I kind of want to talk about is the Tesla Auto. This has just been released here in Canada. It's been available for quite a while in the United States, but I wanted to give this a shot. As some of you know, I'm quite obsessed with the smart home, and Alexa is a huge part of it. You can check out one of my videos. I walk through my house setup and to show you guys exactly what it could be like for you guys to, smarten up your house a little bit. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here to talk about Alexa in the car, and this is Alexa Auto, which is, again, just bringing Alexa into your car. This works with any car that has Bluetooth to connect with your phone. So this actually goes through your phone. I actually gave it a shot because what I wanted to do is I wanted to test it out to see if I like it before I actually install it in my Tesla Model 3. And what I want to do is I don't want to see it. Don't want to see it. I love the look of the inside of the Tesla Model 3, and I don't want to change that. So we're going to go ahead and install this in a way that you won't actually ever see it. Let's get to it. Alexa, add eggs to my shopping list.
You already have eggs on your shopping list. Would you like to add eggs again?
No.
Okay.
Alright, so after testing out the Alexa for a few days here, I'm happy to report that I'm pretty happy I got it. Could it be better? Yes. Some of the issues I find that the biggest one really is when you get in the car, it takes a bit of time for the Alexa Auto to connect to your phone. So you can't actually use it right as you get into the car. So if you want to play some music, for example, you do have to wait a good 30 seconds before it makes that connection. So if that's a deal breaker for you, obviously this is maybe not the solution that you're looking for. However, I've had major issues with Spotify app in the Tesla Model 3, and some of the bugs and the lack of control is something I'm still hoping that Tesla improves in the Tesla Model 3. And this is kind of a workaround for me. Also, it adds the ability for me to send announcement to my wife and kids from my car with my voice. That way the whole house hears it throughout the whole house. I think that's pretty cool. Opening the garage and closing the garage. I don't actually have home link with my Tesla Model 3, so my garage door doesn't automatically open and close. I do have a garage door opener, obviously, and I actually hid it nicely behind the screen so you don't really see it. But I do have the ability now to close and open the garage with Alexa instead, which is something that I do all the time from inside the house. Now I can actually do it from inside my car, so that's a major plus. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. It's something that I'm definitely going to keep in my car. Do I hope they keep improving it just like they keep improving the ones in my home? Yes. Now when it comes to the stop lights and red lights and full self-driving, this is something that, again, is definitely in beta because there is some issues that I have with it. The main one is the speed limit. You cannot go 1 kilometer over the speed limit, which is not a big deal in slower streets like 50 kilometers and 60 kilometers. But when you get to the 70, 80, and 90 kilometers an hour, you will get some angry drivers behind you because nobody actually goes to the speed limit. And if you're one of those rare people, I'm sorry to say, you're probably making people angry. It's kind of like an unwritten rule that on a road with a higher speed limit, you go 10 over. And because of that, I actually turned off the auto stop and auto start at the stop signs and red lights. So obviously this is a beta, so it's just going to get better with time, which is pretty neat. It was actually fun to test, and I'm definitely going to turn it back on to kind of show off to people and kind of see where it's at, maybe try some different scenarios here and there. But it's a beta, and a beta means there's going to be improvements, and Elon already confirmed that they will be removing the need to confirm green lights at any street lights. So if the light is green, you will no longer have to confirm that it's green for your car to continue. Because as of now, every single light, green, yellow, or red, your car will want to stop. And you need to confirm that the light is green by either hitting the gear shift down or pushing the accelerator. But that is going away in the next update. Once again, confirmed by Elon Musk. Hey, are you guys excited about the Model Y? It's coming out in Canada. It's being delivered here in Canada, so that's pretty fun. And there's a lot of different impressions out there, so obviously you can see that. I am pretty excited to see some of the reviews because my wife is interested in potentially having a new car, and if we can make it work, the Model Y might be a very appealing car for her. Alright, so that's it for this episode. Thank you again for watching. Smash that like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next episode. Don't scuff the car. You want me to do it?
Yeah, sure.
This is ACDC from Spotify.
Okay. Guess it's